And amidst the celebrations that honor Juneteenth, Michigan's first black lieutenant governor today addressed the call for justice statewide. News 8's Donovan Long's in studio control with this story tonight. Donovan.
Brian, good evening. Lieutenant Governor Gilchrist joined a Zoom call with members of Detroit Action. It's a grassroots organization that empowers people of color and fights back against systematic racism. Now, Lieutenant Governor Gilchrist focuses on criminal justice reform. He says it was the #1 area of bipartisan consensus last year. The lieutenant governor says he co-chaired a task force that sought to reduce jail populations and the number of people in jail before their trial. He says he and his colleagues sent the Michigan legislature 18 recommendations that center around keeping nonviolent offenders and traffic violators, among others, out of the system.
That every call for justice is really a call for equity. It's a call for a reprioritizing of investment. It's a call for experiencing safety in its truest and broadest sense.
The lieutenant governor adding he is also backing a bill that will decriminalize several offenses. He highlights proposed legislation that will change driving with a suspended license from a criminal infraction to a civil infraction. Now, folks, if this passes, it would keep those type of offenders out of jail. Sue?
Donovan, thank you. Governor Whitmer posted a message on her social media accounts to mark Juneteenth, saying she's working with lawmakers to spark change in our state. Earlier this week, she signed a proclamation declaring June 19th, Juneteenth Celebration Day.
Juneteenth is an important day in our nation's history to remember how far we have come and recognize how far we still have to go. During a time when communities of color are disproportionately impacted by COVID-19, and when the deaths of George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, and Ahmaud Arbery have shown a light on systemic racism that Black Americans face every day, we must work together and build a more equitable and just Michigan. We've made progress since the start of the administration on criminal justice reform and addressing racial disparities in education, healthcare, and more. But there is more work to do. Here in Michigan, we're taking action and working together to address the inequities that Black Michiganders face every single day.